You will save money by watching this video. Stay tuned to the end. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Please leave a comment below as well. I will read your comments and may make them a topic of a future video. Today we're going to be talking about something a lot of people take for granted. Paper money. That's right, paper money. But not this type of paper, this type of paper. Junk mail. A lot of people get this junk mail, and what do they do with it every time they get it every week? They throw it away. Stop throwing it away. I'm going to save you money with it. The two types of junk mail I want to talk to you about today are coupons and advertisements. These are a great way to save money if you use them correctly. Let's talk about how. First of all, you get these things in the mail every week and you throw them away. Why are you throwing them away? Because they're junk mail? Yeah, they may be junk mail, but they're actually money. They're actually money that are given by the manufacturers in order to save you on products so you try them out. They come out typically once a month, once a week, depending on where you live. And you can save a lot of money using these things. The first thing we're talking about today is coupons. Why coupons? Because it's basically real money the manufacturer is sending you to save on their products. Look at this. $5, $7, save $1, save $2. It's real simple. You may be getting these in the mail every single week and throwing them away. It's just like throwing this away. Why are you throwing that away? Doesn't make any sense to me. All you have to do is get them in the mail, clip them, and take them over to the store. You may be using these products already, and if you use these products already, all you have to do is clip coupons, and you're going to save money. And the dollar here, a dollar there, all adds up. You can also get coupons directly from the manufacturer. That's right. Call the manufacturer or write into them online or in the mail, and they'll send you coupons. Most manufacturers will. It's really easy, really quick, and sometimes these coupons have a higher value than the ones you can get in magazines or advertisements. The next topic for today is sales flyers. Sales flyers. Why sales flyers? Because that's typically when the stores are going to have their lower prices for any given amount of time. Let me give you a couple of examples. Look at the back of the sales flyer. Buy one, get one free all over the place. Typically, that's the cheapest you're going to get one of those items when you're going out to buy something. And you get two of them for the price of one. It's a no-brainer. It doesn't make any sense to go out to the store and pay full price for one item if next week or the week after that they're going to buy one, get one free, and you can stock up. Buy multiples of them, save money over time. Other things about these flyers, they usually have coupons in them too. They usually have deals to save money from digital coupons as well as in flyer coupons, and they usually have certain deals. If you buy a certain amount of money, you'll save a certain amount of money, get money back. These things are gold mines if you want to save money. It doesn't make any sense to not compare price between stores too. Depending on the type of store you go, it may be more expensive at one store versus the other. So compare stores, and it's real easy when you've got flyers. Another not so common thing is price matching. A lot of these stores will match prices between them. Most stores used to do that a lot more than they do today, and a lot of stores aren't anymore, but it's worth an ask. If you find a cheaper price at one store versus another one, and you got the advertisement, see if the price match it. Worst case scenario, they say no. And you can do all these things together. Save up coupons over time, match up them to sales and flyers, and price match if you can. I personally saved thousands of dollars over the past couple of years doing just that. It only takes a few minutes of your time. So again, this junk mail, stop taking it and throwing it away and start using it. You'll save money just like me, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.